All right, if you don't know about motor vehicles, bring it to us because we do. This is not what your coolant reservoir should look like. That is terrible. It's low and it's rusty. And this is at only 191,000 Ks on a 2013. Let's have a look at this old one. 589,000 kilometers. What's it going to look like? Well, here's the old one, 600,000 Ks. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? No excuse, people. We've only just started servicing this one, but that looks a lot better than that other one out there. So careful who you take your car to. Watch the videos and understand the maintenance, what you need to do, when and why. This is my old 2008 120. That's really what it should look like. So that's the old original container, 2008. We're talking 17 years old, 480,000 Ks of heat. And that looks pretty good to me. So that's peak condition. What am I going to say? Change it every 2 years. Don't add bad water. Don't add cheap coolant. Toyota, genuine, super long life coolant. Bada bing, watch the videos. There's videos on how to do it, and there's a few, and they've all got different information and tips because I can't fit decades of experience into one video. So watch the bloody all of them. Subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. And don't touch it and don't do it if you don't know what you're doing because you'll probably wreck it and make it even worse. I really don't think it could get much worse than that, could it? And that's like a, that's like, yeah, you know. Look, it's even got a bit of red around the cap, so I don't know what's in there, but that is just about pull the cooling system apart and clean it, put some product into it, and I'm not good at knowing what works best. So hey everybody, how about this? This video just turned into, put it in the comments, any real quality products you've used that you've had a cooling system that looks like this and you want to clear it up. I know there is stuff you can use on this plastic and it brings it back like new. People have commented and shared that information before, but I really don't see vehicles like this, rare, and I don't like it because if the bottle looks like that, imagine what the radiator looks like, imagine what the Welsh plugs look like, imagine what the heater core looks like, and we can go on. Short video, hope you liked it. Hit the like, subscribe, turn the bell on. Catch you on the next one, hopefully with a clean bottle. This has got a water pump leaking, and that's why it's low. It's probably never been changed. It looks like the original, actually, incorrect. It's got a two-piece pump, so something's been changed. Probably to do with the lack of coolant and the rust, and that bits of rust and corrosion. Didn't think about that. So there's always more info in a video, isn't there? Don't like the way these wires look like they've sort of been bent and pushed around. Be careful of that too. All right, catch you on the next one.